Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing, and we just got in this one from HP on loan. This is their Pavilion 14t, and this is another one of these new Tiger Lake machines from Intel. So it's going to have some dramatically improved graphics performance. We've been covering this new chipset a little bit here on the channel, and we'll be seeing a lot of new laptops coming in with that. This one has an i5 processor, an 1135G7. It also has 8 gigs of RAM in dual channel configuration. And this is an upgradable machine from what I'm reading on its service manual, so you should be able to upgrade the RAM further. You can configure this with up to an i7, and they have a GeForce MX450 option to have a discrete GPU in this form factor. What we're seeing with Tiger Lake so far is that you may not need that. Now, I do want to let you know, in the interest of full disclosure, that this is on loan from HP. So when we're done with this, it goes back to them. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this unboxing, nor has anyone reviewed it or approved it before it was uploaded. Now, I didn't have to set up Windows here because this is a loaner unit that's been pre-configured, but when you get it, you'll have to go through that process. It's got a 1080p display, but as you can see, it is not a touch display. And of course, this is a laptop and is not a 2-in-1. The keyboard looks pretty nice here. It looks similar to some of the other HP machines we've looked at. We've got the fingerprint reader here. And one thing I would definitely suggest you look for on a new Intel machine these days is the Iris Xe label. That'll get you the best quality graphics. So let's take a look at the port configuration now. We've got a headphone microphone jack here and a USB port on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we've got a few more things to look at, including a micro SD card slot. You have a USB Type-C port here. Now, this is not a Thunderbolt port, even though it has a little lightning bolt next to the port. That actually indicates that this port will charge a device when the laptop is off. So it is just USB-C, but this can power the laptop. So if you plug in a USB-C power supply, it will charge things. And I'm assuming it will also do display output, but we'll test that for sure in the full review, so stay tuned for that, but definitely not Thunderbolt. Next to it here, we've got a USB 3 port, a full-size HDMI, and then the barrel connector for the included power adapter. So you can power it over here with the included adapter, or use a dock or something here out of the USB-C port. And that is going to do it for the unboxing here. We're going to have a lot more of this on the full review that'll be coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Brian Parker, Jim Peter, Tom Albrecht, and Chris Allegretta. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.